Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome to the channel. Today I received my KWV1 coilovers, so I just want to do a quick unboxing video. I ordered these directly from Vivid Racing, so they are a supplier for KW. I ordered these on November 16th, 2023. I received them on December 8th. So, took about 22 days in transit, about 3 weeks total. It's not too bad. They are built to order, so it's not something that, Vivid Racing or, any other retailer, probably for that matter, has in stock. Probably 9 out of 10 times you're gonna order directly from KW, which is in Germany. So if you live in the US, don't expect like quick 1 week turnaround time. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll go ahead and take the packaging off and we'll dig into the box. The reason I went with KW is because they're outstanding build quality. This is the part number right there. 102 514. KWV1 Honda Integra. Yep. And one thing I noticed, it does say Type R. See Type R DC2. This is for my GS-R. So it says Type R DC2 with fork mounting rear. So this part number actually aligns up perfectly with my GS-R. So I made sure I talked to the rep at Vivid Racing. Very helpful guy. His name was Jorge. So thank you, Jorge, for the help. So yeah, let's get into the box. Okay, so just got the packaging around it. Fancy stuff. Alright, yep, KW. Trying to do this one-handed kind of sucks. There we go. More of these snippy things. Get those cut out right now. Alright, put the camera down for a second, I'll do it. Okay, now that I got all that off, this is the toolkit that comes included with the, I'm pretty sure every single KW coilover, whether it be the V1, V2, V3, they all come with their little KW toolkit. Neat. Alrighty. Oh, that's fancy. Very fancy. Yeah, those look great. So, like I said, reason why I went with KW over, whatever manufacturer could be. K-Tune, Skunk Tube, Buddy Club, whomever, so on and so on, is KW's reputation. So, I mean, they're used at the, upper echelon of motorsport. And these things are like engineered to a degree that, most other manufacturers aren't going to engineer their coilovers. The V1s come pre-balanced, not pre-balanced. They come like with a preset dampening. What that means is these don't have dampening control. like maybe a more track-oriented coilover would have, like their V2s or V3s that do have the dampening control. These are preset from KW by whatever specifications that their engineers deem fit for an all-around use. That means street driving comfortability, track driving performance, and overall longevity. So taking all of, the necessary can do everything factors into an account, they come up with their preset settings. So yeah, like I said, came from Germany. Ship time wasn't too awful. Jorge from Vivid Racing did help me out with these. So again, thank you, Jorge. So what my personal use for these coilovers are going to be, I daily drive my car. It's a 96, Integra GS-R. It's built, it's boosted, makes 430 wheel horsepower to the wheels, 300 torque. I don't take it to the drag strip. I do circuit racing. With my high performance driving experience group, which is Mass Tuning Track Fest. So like I said, mostly for my daily driver and my maybe once every 2-3 months track car. So these will be installed by my personal mechanic this week. I'll probably upload a video once I get everything installed. And they are replacing my my Eibach Pro dampers and spring combination, which I currently have on the car. So those have been on the car for 3 years now. The Eibachs work great. I think they're well, I for sure know they're discontinued. Eibach doesn't sell the shocks anymore for Integras. You can still buy the springs but not the shocks. They've been good, but they're 3 years old, so time for an upgrade. And these are something I've wanted for a very, very long time. Yeah, so just wanted to make a quick video unboxing these. They look really badass. Like I can't say enough about the build quality. Like you definitely know what you're spending your money on when you buy, stuff like this. So thanks for checking out the video. I'll post an update when I get them on the car and it gets settled in. I put some miles on them and then, take it for an alignment. I'll post a video just updating you guys about how good that they ride in the car. Any questions, you can leave in the comments. I'll be happy to answer or help or whatever like that. If you do want to check out more of my build, I do have a post on Team Integra, kind of like detailing like the ins and outs of my build. I can link that in the description. So thank you for checking out the video. Take care.